Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this brand new video we'll learn how to create your own WhatsApp stickers on iPhone. So you heard it right. Now you can create your own stickers on WhatsApp. Recently WhatsApp released a new feature for iPhone users. First of all, go to App Store and here search for WhatsApp and make sure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now here tap on WhatsApp and check if the update is available or not. If update is available, then update it to the latest version. After updating the app, please open the WhatsApp on your device and then open the chat where you want to share your own sticker. Now please make sure that WhatsApp is open in the background and now open the gallery on your device. Here you can select any picture for create your sticker. If you want to share your photo as a sticker on your WhatsApp, then also you can select your photo. After selecting the photo, simply tap and hold for a while on a picture that you want to share as a sticker. Now you have to take this picture to WhatsApp and put here. Next moment you will see send option. Tap on send to share this picture as a WhatsApp sticker. You can select any picture as here I am selecting to create your own sticker for WhatsApp. Here I am creating second sticker. Simply tap and hold for a while on this. Now take this picture to WhatsApp chat and simply put here and then tap on send to share as a sticker on WhatsApp. So that's how easily you can create your own WhatsApp stickers on your iPhone. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.